I'd like to give you a date. See if you can talk about this date. January 14, 1983.
It was the date that we first detect the virus in the culture, derived from a lymph node of the first patients.
What, did you know that something had happened? Did you know that you had, let's say, discovered something? Or what did you think when it
It takes a
happened?
little bit more time. I mean, you detect a virus in the culture, and of course we were looking for retrovirus, so we detect a retrovirus. We didn't know which type of retrovirus it was, except that it was a kind of panic very rapidly, because the cells were dying.
Because the cells were dying.
And of course, if the cells were dying, we were losing the virus at the same time. So we did not really have any time to think about it, except to try to find a solution to keep the virus into the culture. And fortunately, at that time, it was a blood bank at the Pasteur Institute, so we crossed the street and ask the blood bank whether we can have a sample from a blood donor, isolate the lymphocyte from the blood donor, and add the lymphocyte into the culture. And again, we saw the virus, we could detect the virus into the culture. And the same phenomenon reappear, cell death again. And at that time, we started to think that was related to the virus production into the culture, that's why the cells were dying. So it was the first sign for us that it was not HTLV, because HTLV virus was supposed to transform the cells. In addition, the virus was isolated quite rapidly. The first sign, I mean, January 14 was less than 2 weeks after we started to put the cells into the culture. That was totally unusual for HTLV isolation. And by the way, the reason why we use this approach, because we did not really believe at the beginning that it could be HTLV, since the patients were losing their CD4 cells into the culture.
And HTLV, can you tell us what that is?
Human T-cell leukemia virus, that is the first human retroviruses identified from patients with T-cell leukemia.